This video will teach you how to calculate frequency in Excel with a formula. Enter the bin numbers in another column. Select a range with one extra cell to display the results. You can select a range with 4 cells, one more than your bin numbers, anywhere on the spreadsheet to display the frequencies. Enter the formula. Press Enter. You can select a range with 4 cells. Enter the formula. Press Enter. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.